Is your external component the OpenMP Target Runtime Open Computing Language DLL not found? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support engineer. I'm here to help you re-establish OpenMP Target Offloading, OpenCL links. As we look at the manual steps for OpenMP Target Runtime Open Computing Language, there is also a diagnostic resource for reviewing your overall system health. This is the OpenMP Target Runtime Open Computing Language, part of the LLVM compiler toolkit. This library manages the localized offloading of OpenMP tasks to OpenCL devices, like GPUs. It is a mandatory dependency for high-end rendering and AI tools. If missing, the app will report a compute device mismatch and crash during the initial GPU-warmup phase. With that background out of the way, here is how we actually restore the missing component. The presence of OpenMP Target Runtime Open Computing Language DLL is mandatory for OpenMP Target Offloading, OpenCL, to initialize the engine, and a full reinstallation of your main application suite with the error will resolve the error by deploying a fresh copy of the library. If you're still finding yourself stuck after the reinstall, our next priority is to check for any active blocks in the system path. A system reboot is a reliable way to clear away zombie processes that might be interfering with OpenMP Target Runtime Open Computing Language. It's a low-impact step that ensures your operating system is starting with a synchronized environment. Before you restart, please bookmark this video or click the like button so that it's waiting for you in your library for the next step. Now that the system has rebooted, if the issue persists, let's move on to our next level of troubleshooting. Feel free to pause the video if you need a moment. Rebooting didn't reconnect the runtime links, so let's go into the control panel and refresh the library files. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable, 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. I'd like to provide a brief technical warning about the risks of using unofficial file repositories. Do not let a minor runtime error escalate into a total system rebuild by attempting to force install OpenMP Target Runtime Open Computing Language DLL into directories where it does not natively belong. A verified diagnostic utility can help manage the ongoing restoration and health of your system's library ecosystem. To ensure your system configuration matches its capabilities, the repair resource below provides informational guidance on OpenMP Target Runtime Open Computing Language. If this fix repaired OpenMP Target Runtime Open Computing Language dependency issue, please like the video and subscribe to stay informed on maintaining a secure and stable PC.